Hey there. I am pretty sure that every single one of you has seen one of these before. There are many versions of stacking and sorting toys for toddlers and beyond. Stacking and organizing objects is a really natural part of a child's development. And so we have versions at the library that we'll put out for kids to play with, versions of stacking cups and sorting cups that are very brightly colored, and they have a ton of early literacy benefits. So let's go ahead and get sciencey for just a second. Beyond working with fine motor skills and developing balance and general coordination, nesting cups and similar items more specifically assist with developing the ability to manually sift and sort objects, and also develop the concept of size discrimination and something called seriation, which is a fancy word for the ability to put things in order based on quantity or magnitude. Today we're going to show you how to make nesting cups using lids of found objects in your household. And so as you go around your home looking for lids in different sizes and colors, we urge you to be creative. Maybe you're going to find the lid of a canister of coffee, or maybe it is going to be the lid of a jar of peanut butter, or maybe it is the lid of a can of tennis balls, or coffee creamer, or your daily vitamins, or maybe it's even something as small, without getting into choking hazards depending on your child's age, as olive oil. And so when you have gathered a bunch of lids in different sizes, then go ahead and wash and dry them and clean them and have your kiddos try and put them in size order. And voila, you have your own set of nesting cups that you have made at home. So on behalf of the Charlotte Mecklenburg Library, go forth and giggle.